Magandang araw. Ngayon, tatalakayin natin kung paano i-convert or i-express ang repeating decimal into a fraction. So, here we go. If we have 0.444 and so on. Ibig sabihin, this is repeating. This is equal to 0.4 na may bar sa itaas. Ibig sabihin, itong number na 4 ay ang repeating number. To convert it into a fraction, simply, we will write it as 4 over 9. Let's make math easy, So, what about 0.5? 5. Again, this is simply equal to 0.5 na may bar sa taas. So again, this is just equal to 5 over 9. Can we reduce it to lowest term? So hindi na, di ba? So 5 over 9 is simply equal to 0.5 repeating. Okay, next example. What about 0? 0.3. So again, this is just 3 over 9. Since 3 over 9 can be reduced to lowest term, so we can have divide the numerator by 3, the denominator by 3. So meron tayong 1 over 3. So 1/3 is just equal to 0.3 repeating. Am I understood? Klaro ba? 0.13 repeating. So in this case, just simply write 13 over 99. Can we reduce 13 over 99? So, hindi, di ba? Ibig sabihin, 13 over 99 is the answer if we express 0.13 repeating into a fraction. What about 0.63 repeating? 0.63 again, this is just 63 over 99. And 63 over 99 can be reduced to lowest term. Pwede nating i-divide by 3, the denominator by 3 and the numerator. Pwede din namang i-divide natin by 9. So 63 divided by 9, that is 7. 99 divide 9, 11. So we have 7 over 11. If you use your calculator, if you will divide 7 divided by 7 divided by 11, so you can have an answer of 0.63 repeating, or that is 0.636363, so on, so forth. Okay. Kung ang hitsura ng ating repeating decimal ay ganito. 1. Wala na tayong ink. 1. Okay. 1.4 repeating. So, ibig sabihin, ang number 4 dito ang repeating. Okay? So, ano ang ating gagawin? Simply, we'll just write 1 plus the repeating the repeating number, again, that is 4 repeating, is simply equal to 4 over 9. Diba? 4 over 9. Then get, okay, 1 plus 4 over 9. Get the LCD. So we have 9, no? Okay, this is over 1. 9 divided by 1, that is 9. Times 1, so 9. Okay, plus 9 divided by 9, that is 1. Times 4, that is 4. This is equal to 9 plus 4, 13 over 9. And 13 over 9 cannot be reduced. So, ito na yung answer. The next example. Sir, what about 2.3 repeating? So, again, write 2 plus 3 over 9. So, this is just equal to 2 plus, let's reduce it to lowest term. We have 1 over 3. Then we'll get the LCD. So we have the LCD is 3. 3 divided by 1, that is 3 times 2. So we have 6 plus 3 divided by 3, that is 1 times 1, still 1. So we have 6 plus 1, 7 over 3. And 7 over 3 cannot be reduced naman. So, ito na yung answer natin, 7 over 3. Okay, next. What if meron tayong ganitong decimal number? 0.58333. So again, the repeating number is 3, no? So we can have it as 0.583 repeating. So, ano ang gagawin natin dito? So to convert, simply write first the repeating number, that is 0.3 repeating, right? Pagkatapos ay magdagdag tayo ng number dito. Ang tanong, what number is it? So ganito lang. Ito, 0.583 repeating will be subtracted by 0.3 repeating. So, ang result niyan, ang i-add natin sa bandang dito. Okay, use your calculator or you can solve it manually. 0.58333 minus natin ng 0.3333. So the result is, yes, 0.25. So paano na ba yan? Convert it into a fraction. That is 3 over 9. Tama? 3 over 9. Plus 0.25. That is equal to 25 over 100. Okay, next. Let's simplify first. 3 over 9. So, pwede siyang 1 over 3. Okay, hindi natin makita, no? 1 over 3. Divide the numerator by 3 and the denominator by 3. Then, 25 over 100. 1 over, wala na talaga tayong ink. Okay, need na natin ng ink. So we have 4. Why 1/4? Simply divide the numerator by 25 and the denominator by 25, so we can have 1/4. Okay, next, let's find the LCD, the least common denominator. So we have 12. 12 divided by 3, that is 4, times 1, so 4. 12 divided by 4, that is 3, times 1, that is 3. So this is equal to 7/12. Oy, hindi na pala nakita. 7/12. Marireduced ba ito? So hindi na. Therefore, 7/12 is our answer. If we convert the repeating decimal 0.58333 into a fraction. Okay, now I will let you do this in your own. I mean, solve this one. Try this in your notebook. 0, okay, point 915 is the repeating number. And then the second one, try this one, 0.309 repeating. If you have the solution, kindly comment below in the comment section and I will acknowledge your answer. Thank you for watching. I hope na may natutunan kayo sa ating video na ito. God bless. Keep safe.